We're excited to have Carter Matzinger back on with us today, CEO of K6 Media Holdings, Inc. March 11th, 2016, K6 Media Holdings just announced the completion of the audit for calendar year ended December 31st, 2014, and the financial statements along with the pro forma comparisons for the third quarter ending September 30th, 2015 for the first acquisition of Digitize IQ LLC. Carter, welcome back. Can you tell us a little bit about Digitize IQ and what this means to the media company?
Yeah, it's really exciting, actually. Digitize IQ is a unique company that is majority or almost all the traffic they generate is through Facebook. So what that means is we actually do the media buying on Facebook to drive traffic, and we back it out into a lead. So there's about 3 million advertisers on Facebook, and we're in the top 1,000 largest. We've really got it down to a science. There's a lot of people that have tried to master that in that segment, that niche of marketing, and have trouble. They put in $10,000 and don't generate a lead out of it. But we've actually, through our proprietary technology, through our systems of media buying, through our strategies, we've really got it down to a science. And one of our major focuses are for tort law firms and clients in that industry that are looking for surveys to start getting individuals for a specific tort case. So we do quite a bit. We do quite a bit on Facebook. We're on the phone with them twice a month, going over campaigns. We've got a lot of accounts there, and what makes us different is that we're the actual traffic drivers. We're the ones that are generating the traffic and sending it to the client. So we have brings a whole new skill set and facility of what we have in Facebook, which can provide more services to our other clients. And also, the relationship it gives us with Facebook, plus with a unique technology to help us monetize and manage our campaigns better than other people do. So it's a really neat acquisition.
Carter, for those unfamiliar with tort law, can you explain that a little bit, please?
Yeah, it's more like the stuff that you see on TV, the IVC filters, the Xaralto warnings, talc powder that just came out, where the lady got that $72 million award for ovarian cancer relating to Johnson & Johnson talc powder. Those types of things are the main clients that we've been focusing on and helping them with marketing strategies and survey generations.
And so with this being the first acquisition and part of your strategy, from what you've told us here, is really to grow your business there through acquisition. What does this mean to the company value-wise?
Well, it means quite a bit. There's a whole bunch. From what I've seen, there's a lot of people that say and don't do. And, I keep saying this is what we're going to do, and we execute what we do every single time. So this is kind of showing that this is the first of many. Also, what it's done is, because of this unique technology, it's fine-tuning our acquisition strategy for leveraging them, new acquisitions, to be able to utilize our technology to enhance their return on investment for their unique marketing strategies, and to increase their ROI. Plus, it also allows us to work with potential new acquisitions with their customer base and bringing them into a Facebook media buying strategy that the other company wouldn't have. So it broadens the marketing services that can be utilized for new acquisitions. And so hopefully each acquisition, like I said in the past, is like a 1 and 1 is a 4. Instead of just realizing their revenues, we're also able to help their customer base and generate more revenues throughout the company by providing new marketing services.
And for investors, we always talk about increasing shareholder value. For 2016, what's your goals for doing that, and how's that going to be brought about?
So I would say, the main thing is, through these acquisitions, the key is to through acquisitions that we're finding companies that have a very good strength in a vertical that's very scalable. So, that we're just not compounding the revenue into the company, but it also, like I said, can enhance the revenue even further and scale even more because we're bringing more services to the clientele, but also providing a skill set and a technology that that company wouldn't otherwise have that can leverage ours as well. So we should see not only just revenue growth from the acquisition, but there should be significant organic growth as well because of it.
Well, Carter, thank you for that. It seems like you're executing on all levels and the strategy seems to be working, so congratulations there. We thank you for coming on, and we hope to see you soon again.
Yeah, one thing I wanted to kind of just mention or even show, I know we're kind of running out of time, but there's a lot of folks that kind of say they do these things and kind of blow smoke and mirrors around it, but I actually have my statistics for the last 30 days up in Facebook here. I'm going to just share my screen.
Great.
Share screen. I don't know if you can see that here.
Yes, we can. That's very impressive. Do you want to explain that a little bit?
Yeah, so here's just our overview from February 15th to March 15th, 2016, as it says here. So here's our total ad spend so far in Facebook, $878,201 over the last 30 days. And we've generated 184 million impressions over the last 30 days. These blue things here are all different accounts that we have, which you can see. Most people only have one. We have access to 2,500 accounts. And like I said, we're a pretty premier partner with Facebook, and there's a lot of scalability that can be done here. So, that's I just wanted to show that we're not blowing smoke.
No, that's amazing, and you're obviously pioneering that side, so that's very, very impressive. Obviously, not a lot of people can do what you're doing, so a lot of value there, and thanks for sharing that with us.
Yeah, absolutely.